In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Westpac 1. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in this link bank.westpac.co.nz. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the login interface of Westpac 1. Simply wait for this interface to load. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your customer ID or username and password over here. Click on the field of customer ID and enter the customer ID or username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option login that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Westpac 1. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.